How to find someone on Snapchat without username or number. So if you want to find someone on Snapchat without the username or number, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Snapchat, and after that go with the add section, which is on the top right. Now once you're on the add friends, here you need to go with the search, and on your search you need to search for the person's name. If you don't remember, like if you don't know the username or number, then you can search for the local name. And for example, if I search for a name, then it will give you all of the accounts related with that name. So just select the person and then tap on add, which is on the right side. But if you don't get the account right here, then what you need to do is you just need simply ask the person to send their username or their mobile number, because we don't have any other option to find someone on Snapchat without the username or number. Or you can also ask for the QR code so that you can scan the QR code by going to the top right. You will have the QR code section, and you can just simply go with your galleries photos and select the QR. I mean, add that person. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.